Just drink this drink before going to bed will help you lose weight quickly overnight. Do you believe that you can lose weight even if you are deeply asleep? There is no need to drink any expensive medicine. Just drinking this natural drink before going to bed can help you burn excess fat and lose weight effectively overnight. How is this drink possible? Because the ingredients in this drink are all shown to activate and speed up metabolism. So, when you drink it before you go to sleep, your body keeps breaking things down quickly and continues burning fat while you sleep. The first ingredient of this drink recipe is a cucumber. When you want to lose weight, the first thing required is cutting down on your calorie intake. Cucumbers can help you here because they already are very low in terms of calories, and it doesn't end here. Cucumbers are a fat-free food, so you can fill up on cucumbers as much as you want without the fear of putting on weight. Therefore, eating cucumbers will promote weight loss. The skin of cucumbers is slightly tough and a little bitter, so you can remove its skin. If you prefer to eat the skin, try to have the organic cucumbers. After peeling the cucumber, cut it into small pieces. Put the cucumber into a bowl for later use. The second ingredient of this drink is lime or lemon. Here we use lime because it is available. Lime juice can make you feel full, therefore reducing the appetite. The high vitamin C content of limes can boost the immune system and promote the absorption of calcium from the fat cell. This will help in weight loss. You will need the juice of 1/2 lime for this recipe. Cut your lime and squeeze the juice of 1/2 lime into a bowl. You should use a strainer to remove lime seeds because it can cause the drink to be bitter. Now you need a blender, then add cucumber in it. Then also add lime juice into the blender. Finally, add 250 ml of water. Now, turn on the blender and blend everything until the mixture is really soft. After blending, the last ingredient that needs to be added is chia seeds. Add 2 tablespoons of chia seeds into the mixture and mix well. 2 tablespoons of chia seeds have nearly 10 grams of fiber. That's about 40% of the recommended daily amount to be useful to slim down. According to the 2015 study, eating 30 grams of fiber daily may help you lose as much weight as if you follow a complicated diet. After blending, pour the mixture into a cup and enjoy it before going to bed. The right time to get all the health benefits and burn excess fat without effort. Drink it every night regularly before sleeping, and you see positive changes in your body after a short time. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.